Hey everyone, here we are by the 88. Gonna do a startup of it. Haven't made a video in a while, and this thing's having a hard time starting. I know a lot of people are into cars that that like to crank over a bunch before they start. So I might as well make a video of this. I think it's either the fuel pump or the cold start valve. Haven't made up my mind. No. I need to do more diagnosing to figure it out. So yeah, I did make a update video right after I painted the truck on older cars, but unfortunately I couldn't want to edit it with Windows 8. I can get the audio, but no video, just audio. That sucks. Making the video useless. Anyways, let's get started up. Actually, I think I'll keep it in here. It has that many miles since last saw it. 267.74.1. That's been running in maybe about a week or so. Been driving my Subaru. Now that I fixed the overheating problem. At least I'm pretty sure of it. Life. The longer it sits, the harder it is to start, usually. It actually started easier than I thought it was going to. Just smell that raw gas coming out that tailpipe. Old cars put too much gas when they cold start it, so it just pollutes like super bad when it's cold. Newer cars aren't like that. My Subaru doesn't do that, being OBD2 and all. I just wanted to share, the old cold start problem. Hoping it's not the fuel pump. You gotta drop the tank for it. Cold start valve's not that bad. I changed them before on my 85. Totally mint Toyota truck. It's rusted. It's rusted everywhere. It's loose.